How are we? Harry here again, and this is Ross's boat. Ross is from New South Wales. His background is fast cars, fast boats and fast anything. We put this boat together for him as a performance boat. He's gone for the twin 150 Mercs, the 3 litres, and man, does she go. It's exactly what Ross wanted, and it fits his personality and character really well. Ross will be using this on the East Coast, around the Narooma, Maria, all that East Coast sort of area, marlin fishing, kingfish fishing, everything that's out there, pelagics. I love the big flatheads down there, to be honest, and the deep dropping for the blue eye, but I'm sure Ross will get into all of that as well. Yeah, you couldn't live in a nicer place, in my opinion. Simrad NSS 16, anchor winch, we've gone for the stress freeze now, as you probably all know by now. Clears, rocker launchers, your soundly GPS, your through hull, your SS175, which has become a standard item these days on most setups. Through hull, high and wide, it's a chirp, and it's on a 20-degree angle and does everything down to 200 metres. A really good unit, couples up really nicely with your NSS 16. So for comfort, we've got a rear lounge, a rear folding removable lounge, stainless steel frame, nicely cushioned. Ross has opted for one of those, like a lot of people do, and just gives you that extra option to sit another 3 occupants in the back of the boat. Ross has given this boat his own personal touch, so it's a black boat, and he's also coupled that with the tinted windscreen and a black frame. With a tinted windscreen, you would know it was tinted sitting on the inside and cuts out all those UV rays. It'll probably be handy out there on those big long summer days, yeah, where your eyes are just getting tired throughout the day. Basically, that's the reason why most of us get sleepy through the day and need a nap. So yeah, a great little addition, I think, that I'll be looking into a little bit more for myself as well. Ross has put together a really nice package, and it just goes to show you don't need a huge amount of electronics to get on the water and enjoy what you want to do. Have a good look at this boat, and you can basically add whatever you want to it, but at least it gives you a great base. You've got all the fundamentals to get out there and do whatever you want. Big congratulations to Ross. You've been a pleasure to deal with, mate, and I'm looking forward to come up and seeing you and possibly have a fish with you as well. All the best, enjoy it with Liz, and I'm sure you're going to have a lot of great days on the water, mate.